Get acquainted with the 2020 Hyundai Palisade. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This boldly styled, highly capable Palisade is an outstanding value. 3-row seating, a premium interior, ample cargo area, available all-wheel drive, V6 power, and standard driver assistance are just some of the many features that make this spacious crossover irresistible. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 3rd-row seat, V6 cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, backup camera, power liftgate, keyless start, heated front seat, power driver seat, rear AC, alarm. Enjoy the confidence that comes with being prepared for adventure in this well-equipped Palisade. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.